Hello everybody, this is Will McAdam over at PrivacyDuck with our continuing series on how to opt out your personally identifiable information from a variety of people search sites. Today we are going to focus on BackgroundAlert.com. Thank you for joining me for this video, number one. And number two, just a little update about Background Alert. They are a fairly decently ranking, not super high ranking, but fairly high ranking people search site that displays much of the same information that you'll see on other sites of their ilk, such as BeenVerified.com, TruthFinder, or Instant Checkmate. They do scrape from each other, but they are not all the same company, and they all must be opted out of individually. And we'll walk you through those steps right now on this site. And what we need to do first is to make sure that you have an email address that you'll be using. For this portion, we can use emailanddeck.com. We don't have to respond to them anything more than a confirmation email. And we're not sending any private information over email with them either. So we can go ahead and just work with emailanddeck.com, or if you want to use an AOL.com email, that works too. So the only other thing you need will be a copy of your driver's license. Now, for the driver's license, you do want to make sure that your some sensitive information is blocked out. And on the sample license we have here from the state of California, you'll see you'll want to have out or blacked out your picture, your ghosted image, if you have one, your license number, as well as your signature. What has to be showing is your date of birth, your full name, your address, and the issuing state of your license. So once you have your driver's license and your email address together, go ahead and proceed directly to BackgroundAlert.com. Now you can proceed there directly to see if you have a profile, but the quicker way to do that is to go directly to the opt-out page. And that link will be in the description of the video for you. That's going to be BackgroundAlert.com/opt-out. Super easy. So once there, you will go ahead and search for yourself. We're just going to search for anyone, John Smith in California, just for example's sake. But go ahead and search for anyone, or go and search for yourself using this criteria. If you have a very common name like John Smith and you want to narrow it down a little bit, there is a small blue link here that says Advanced Search that can help you narrow down to an age range and to a city. But we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to go ahead and search for John Smith in California. And let's go ahead and pretend that this first record here in Pomona, California is yours, the one that's matching John L. Smith in Pomona. You'll want to locate your record and click on That's Me, that blue button there. Your next page will have a field for an email address. So go ahead and go back to Email and Deck and take that email, copy that email you had earlier, and paste it in there and click on Next. At this point, you'll be prompted to either mail a copy of your ID or fax a copy or upload a copy. The fastest way to accomplish this is obviously to upload a copy. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and then we'll click on Choose File. Select where your license is on your computer. For our example, the sample edited license is on a desktop. So we'll go ahead and click on that and hit Enter. We see that has been loaded, and we'll click on the green Next button. So next there, you say we have received your request. You will be told that you will receive an email with a confirmation link on it. And that link must be clicked on to activate your request. Now, if you don't click on that link, what will happen is after a few days, the record will pop back up. But usually what happens is it disappears immediately after we just did that. You see John L. Smith in Pomona is no longer the top listing because he's been opted out. And luckily, we did receive our BackgroundAlert.com confirmation email on time. It's not uncommon for it to take 45 minutes sometimes for that email to arrive to you. So if it does, surf the web, go on Twitter, have a good time, and come back to it. It should be there. But once you have it, go ahead and click on that email to open it. and then click on the blue Confirm Opt-out button, or link, excuse me. And it will say your request for opt-out is now confirmed. That is all you need to do for each record on Background Alert. Now, please keep in mind that if you have a unique name or even a semi-common name, or actually it just happens about half the time, people have 2 or 3 records on this site. So you'll want to review these records as they might apply to you, might have more than one. If you have more than one, go back and repeat the whole "that's me" email and ID upload process for each one. If you get to 4 or more of these records, you will need to go back and request a new email address to be used on Email and Deck, or make a new email for whatever email you use in AOL or something else. But make sure before you do that, that you get all of your confirmation emails first. Especially with Email and Deck, you can't recover this email once, excuse me, once that's gone. So make sure you do it, and then email Background Alert will be cleared pretty quick. If you have any dead links on Google relating to BackgroundAlert.com, check out our Google dead link instruction video on our youtube.com/PrivacyDuck.com channel. We also have a ton more free resources, videos, and guides and other things for you back on PrivacyDuck.com, and we are always updating those more. As far as our paid services, Background Alert is covered under all of our paid services, which include everything from our $99 starter privacy program clear to our VIP privacy service, which gets everything possible over the course of 1 year. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We may be reached at 415-320-1845 or emailed at services@PrivacyDuck.com. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate that. And we look forward to helping you more with your privacy endeavors. This has been Will McAdam for PrivacyDuck. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great day.